Let us continue with our lesson, and in this lesson let's go and see about how to add an overflow menu. So basically the overflow menu is, if you have noticed, when we have a three dot over here, and when we click on that dot it will show us an overflow menu. So we'll be adding an edit overflow menu. So whenever we click on that menu item, it will redirect us or redirect the user to a edit profile screen. So let's get started, and we'll go to our project over here. And first thing, we will go to the rest section over here and go to the menu. And inside this menu we currently have only one menu, which is a bottom navigation. So this is the bottom navigation that we have. We will add a new menu. So just right click on this and select the menu resource file. Just give a name. I can just give a name as a profile underscore edit menu. So we have a profile edit menu. Just click on OK, and now we have this profile edit menu. We just need to add a menu item. So I'll just select this menu item and drag it over here. And first of all, let us change the title as edit, and ID we will be making use of the similar format, which is navigation. So let me just copy this section and go and add a ID as menu navigation, and I'll just say as edit underscore profile. So navigation and underscore edit underscore profile. So this will be our ID for this menu item. And let us fix the hard-coded string text. Just fix it, and resource name I can edit menu item. So edit menu item, this will be the resource name. Just click on OK. So that got fixed. So now we have a menu item. So we need to show this menu item in our profile fragment. So we want to show at the top. So whenever we click on that one, we will get some overflow menu. So let's close this one and let us go to our profile over here. And in the profile fragment, we will have to override the two particular method. The first method that we will override is the onCreate option menu. So onCreate option menu. So just override this one, onCreate option menu. And in this override method, what we'll do is we'll inflate our menu. So inflator inflator.inflate, we will inflate our menu item r.menu dot. The menu item name is the profile edit menu. So if you can remember, this is the one that we just created, and we will pass a second argument as a menu. Sorry, menu. Yeah. So we have inflated our menu item over here. And what we will do is we'll just go and run the application, and let's see whether that has been shown, or the menu has been shown in our app. So let's wait for the application to get built. So the application is started, and let's go and check on the profile. Okay, so we still don't have the overflow menu over here. That may be because of, if we go to the main activity, so we are overriding we are creating a manually toolbar or material toolbar. So what we need to do is, if we want to show the overflow menu, we need to do something over here. So we need to set supported. So set supported action bar. So this will take a parameter as a toolbar. So we need to pass the toolbar over here. So set supported action bar, and we pass the toolbar over here. And let us start our application. So that should fix the issue that we have. And because we have set up the action bar over here, that should give us the overflow menu. So just wait for the application to get started, and let's go to the profile. Okay, so we still don't have the overflow menu. We need to fix that issue. We still have to set one more option. I think let's go to the profile fragment over here. And what I will do is, after on activity is created, what I will do is at the and before the view model that we're going to create, I will set has option menu to as a true, so TRUE true. So I hope this will fix our overflow menu, and because we have set has option menu, so this is the option menu that we are going to set, which is an overflow menu. And also we have set the supported action bar. So let's run the application, and let's wait for the application to get started. Okay, so the application is started, and let's go to the profile. Okay, so now we have this three dot, which is an overflow menu. So when you click on this one, it will show us the edit. And now when we click on the edit, it doesn't happen anything because we haven't write a specific code for this selection. So whenever the item over here is selected, we need to do a certain thing. So let's get back to our code over here, and let us fix the issue that we need to fix. So let's go to the profile fragment, and we still need to override one more function over here, and I will say on, sorry, it should be on option item selected. So on option item selected is called whenever we select a particular item on the overflow menu. So whenever we click on the particular item, this method will be called. So what I will do over here is, so let's on the over here. So make sure you write your code before the return statement. So don't write it after this return statement, or else you can just remove it for now. And what I will do is I will say when I will say item dot item ID, item ID, and inside this I will say that r dot id. So where the item ID is r dot id dot, where is this one is the one that we created. So edit, yeah, edit tags, no, not the edit tags. I think we have created one when the action is of r.id.navigation navigation edit profile. So if you remember, this is the one that we created the ID for our profile menu. So if you go over here, the menu item that we have created is the navigation edit profile. So that one we need to select over here. So navigation edit profile. So whenever we select this particular item, we want to do something. For now, we don't have anything to navigate to the edit profile screen because we haven't created it. So for now, I will just give an empty string, or we can just log it something for now. And here I will just return. So let us return a false. We don't want to return. So over here, what I will do is I'll just create a log. Log dot d, and that's a tag, comma edit profile like CKED clicked. We don't have tag yet. Yeah, okay, so I will create a tag over here, and constant val of our tag is equals to of the profile fragment. Just select this one and paste it over here. So whenever we click on that particular edit menu item, so this should be logged. So let us start the application. Okay, so the build is successful, and let's go to our Illuminator, and let's go to the profile section, and let us go to the logcat over here, and that should be on a D, which is debug. And what I will do is I will just select that menu edit, and I will just click edit. So over here you can see edit profile is clicked. So if we see over here, we have the working menu item. So whenever we click on that one, this option will be selected. So whenever we click on edit profile, we need to navigate it to our edit profile. So let us meet up in the next lecture, and on the next lecture we'll go and create our fragment for our edit profile, and we will be using this to navigate to a particular fragment. So let's meet up in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.